Want to save hours and close more deals? GoHighLevel's AI features can completely change the way you run your business. Let's talk about AI-powered messaging. Use AI chat to respond to leads instantly on your websites, funnels, or even SMS. It keeps conversations alive while you focus on closing deals. Now, AI for content creation. With AI built into GoHighLevel, you can generate email copy, social posts, and add headlines that actually convert. No writer's block. AI workflow automation. AI helps analyze your leads, segment them, and even recommend the best follow-up sequence automatically. That means smarter marketing with less effort. AI analytics and insights. Track funnel performance and let AI highlight where you're losing leads so you can optimize fast and boost conversions. This is how to use AI in GoHighLevel. Faster responses, smarter automations, and better results for your business. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.